Okay, what we have here is a Suzuki Q.U.A.D 300 4x4. Having sparking issues because the original CDI box is giving out. It'll start the bike, but it backfires, pings, and carries on. You'll think your intake valves are stuck, or exhaust valves. You'll think they're stuck. And so I go buy a brand new one, off brand, and it does the exact same thing. You can't rev into it. If you do, it then backfire, shuts off. Won't go nowhere. So I then went to my Franken bike. I'll show you in the video once I start working on it. It's a future project, and it's a company made by Q.U.A.D.S. It's a Honda clone 350 Rancher engine, and that thing is super heavy. Well, anyways, right here at this box, what you're staring at is the CDI box off of an off-brand four-wheeler Honda clone made by Q.U.A.D.S. It's a Q.U.A.D.S. claims it's a 400, but it's a 350. 350 piston from a Rancher fits right in it. So those are the wires, and as you can see, there's the original harness. Nothing cut. There's nothing up there. It's just my bike. I got it plastic wrapped, keep the rain off. So your red wire with the black tracer, that's your power wire to the CDI. Your green wire, that's your ground wire. That goes to CDI and ground, which I have vice gripped onto my shock tower. This here red and white wire, that's to your pulse generator or pickup coil. And that brings in the pulse signal from the flywheel, tells it when the spark goes into the CDI box. Then it gets charged by a capacitor, comes back out into that black and yellow wire, and down the harness and out to the coil. That's your coil wire, your black and yellow. And well, if you want to hear how it sounds, it's not bad at all. I'll need two hands with this, so let me pause the video. Okay, it looks like I can get you going right here. Okay, so I need two hands because I gotta operate the throttle. So I'm gonna take this wire, I'm gonna plug it into here. I'm bypassing my starter relay because it's broke. Oh, it's good on you. Well, my finger slipped off. It's a cold bike. It's cold, and I ain't got the choke on, but you can see how easy it starts right up. So there you go. And what I'll do is I'll